Mansfield had been obviously underrated all year. They were not on our radar. We were not looking for them throughout the race. And they came up and won that conference title, and our girls were a little down after that. We definitely kept tabs on them throughout the regional race. And, the PSAC is incredibly deep on the women's side of things, with 4 teams ranked right now in the top 20, I believe, 2 within the top 10 with us in Mansfield. And, to be on top of that at the regional meet is a very good confidence boost as we move into nationals.
At PSACs, we were heartbroken, to say the least, that we had lost. But at regionals, we knew what we had to do. We went out there, we got our positions, and we fought for it. So, that's what we do.
It was difficult, but I felt like we were prepared when we got there, and we were able to really work together as a team. We know each other's strengths and weaknesses and when we need to be there and step up for each other. And so I think it really worked to our advantage.
Last year you're in high school, and this year you're at the regional meet, and you win it as a team. And it's the coolest thing ever to see that you're the ones up there holding that banner. You're the ones that are holding the trophy. You're the ones who worked so hard, and it's just showing how hard we worked, and it's just paying off. And it was just the coolest experience ever to, as a freshman, get to have that kind of experience. I had the best teammates I could ever ask for.
And the nice thing that we've had that we have not always had in years past at Edinboro is that we have a solid group all the way through 7. And I think that speaks a lot. Our last couple of meets, we've been led by a senior, and our final person in the national championship team is also a senior, Brittany Kaltenbaugh. And she may not be as happy with her individual running this season as she has been in years past, but I personally think you have to have a strong senior leader in the middle of your pack, pushing people in that 4, 5, 6, 7 place, just as well as you need someone up front running and leading, and that's what Brittany really provides for us.
And that we've had some bigger races this year too, so that'll be similar to nationals, like knowing that we need to go out harder, which we all did at regionals also, so getting out harder so you don't have to weave in and out of people. You can just get your place right away and go with it, instead of the first mile you're kind of wasting a lot of energy trying to move up.
I feel like we have nothing to fear heading into nationals because we've done everything we can to prepare. I feel like we're ready to go. We've been running our miles, we've been tapering right, so I think we're ready to go as a team.
What I think one of the big things that's going to help me out personally going a second time is it's pretty overwhelming when you see all those girls on the line. And it's a big deal, it's a big thing. There's lots of people yelling, there's a lot of cheering. So you have to be mentally strong in your head, ready to go. So I think it's going to be helpful for me to know not to let that affect me, just to do what I came to do. And I don't think I'll be as overwhelmed as other girls might be if they haven't gone before.
Just not think about it, because that's how I work best. But through PSACs, through regionals, there's definitely a group of us that run together at the races, and I think we're all going to represent PSAC together and work together during the race. It's kind of cool. I love my teammates, but I also love the girls in PSAC. We will run right next to each other, and I think we're going to show the nation that PSAC's pretty good too.
I think we have a chance to make the podium on the women's side. We've certainly got the talent, but we've got to put it all together on Saturday.